This is the Lysholm Supercharger of the Mazda Millenia, the KJ V6 engine right here at the back. We just cleaned the supercharger as well as its inside. You will see here, this is the oil feed for the supercharger. Supplies oil to its bearings on this side and on this side, and this is the return hole for the oil, also this one. And here's the part number, KJ-01207, and it says here IHI, the same company that makes turbochargers. And you will see here the twin screw of this Lysholm supercharger. I've read that the screw is made of aluminum but coated. That's why it looks like it's plastic. And you'll see here the port for the air bypass valve, where the exhaust boost is returned back to its inlet side of this supercharger. And this is the port where the throttle body is attached. And this is the port for the idle air control valve. And that's the inlet side of this supercharger. You just can't see the twin screw here, but this two round part is the blind plug cover for the two bearings and the seals for the supercharger. So this is the oil feed line for the supercharger, and this is the oil return line. These two are the oil return line for the supercharger, and this is just the guide pin to align the supercharger. And this is the insulator, heat insulator for the supercharger. And they're just 4 pieces 12mm bolts, nuts. And this is the pulley for the supercharger. And to install the throttle body here at the supercharger, and this is the throttle body for this V6 supercharged engine, TPS. May track yung TPS na yun. No? Remedyo? Mukhang niremedyohan, no? Bakit? Okay. There's a cut here at the throttle position sensor adjustment screw. We don't know why. No, parehas to sa, mukhang kaparehas sa RX-7 eh. And here's the air adjustment screw for the idle, and the linkage for the throttle cable, and the throttle shaft, and the coolant line for the throttle body. KJ-1A1 cylinder head on the left bank, and KJ-101 on the right bank. This is the coolant port for the lower radiator hose. So let's just measure the throttle plate bore. It's a 60mm throttle plate bore. And to install the throttle body, bolt and nut. So this is the idle air control valve for this Mazda Millenia engine. You'll see that the IAC valve is similar to the Mazda Familia Generation 2. It has a big port here compared to the Mazda Familia IAC valve. Therefore, you can clean it efficiently than the Mazda Familia IAC valve. which has a very small port, the size of this one only. Compared to this, it is big. The IAC valve for this V6 engine is not installed in the throttle body, but it's installed here at the cylinder head, because there's no more space to install this underneath the throttle body. So it's installed here at the cylinder head. So to install the IAC valve, 10T LJ, 10T. So to install the IAC valve, and now for the coolant hose, where coolant is supplied from the cylinder head, from the left hand back cylinder head, and passes through the IAC valve to heat the IAC valve and to heat the throttle body, and to go out here and to return to the right hand cylinder back.